This week I pulled in my 1982 AMC Eagle. A few months ago I made a video where I bought 3 abandoned Eagles all for $1,000. This car sat outside in the woods for roughly about 13 years, collecting nothing but organic matter down the side, pine needles in all the cracks, and a lot of mold on the inside. So what we're gonna do this week with the car is we're gonna detail it all up top to bottom, get this thing polished up, get all that mold on the interior gone, and then we're gonna put it up for sale and see what I could get for it.